In this video I'm going to show you how to change your router bit manually without using the automatic tool changer on your JWEI JCUT cutter. So first thing I need to do is I need to release the router bit that's currently in there. So I'm going to press my router bit release button on my head, and that's going to drop the router bit out of my router. There you go. So you can see I had a V-groove bit in there before. So I'm going to put that one aside. I'm going to get a new router bit, and then I'm going to lift up this hood just like that, and I'm going to put the router bit in and push that in from the bottom there like that. Now when it goes in, you can go all the way up to the actual adapter for the automatic tool changer, but then we want to come down just a little bit, so just maybe 2 or 3 mil, 2 mil maximum probably. Once we're happy with that, we're then going to press our router bit release button again. So I've just pressed that, and that's going to hold that router bit in place, just like that. Now, because I've done a manual bit change, I need to make sure that I do the tool height, because now we're not using the automatic tool changer, it's not going to automatically do it for me. So I need to go to JWEI, I need to go to tool depth, click on the drop down, and go to router, and then click the tool depth button. That's then going to do my router height just like we would do any other tool on our JCUT. So that's how we manually change our tool or our router bit on our JWEI JCUT cutter.